darker, it's darker now. Dogs got a lot to bark about. So it's bombs in the plan, a thought died by his hand. My banner's head felt like Santa down the chimney. Bring me Professor X next, then the X-Men. Fought a wolf in the beast code. I could kill my best friend. If it's do or die fucking faster than a puppet master. This a mass suicide, so you and I taskmaster. This last chapter, don't get slapped backwards. Man, that bastard man thing gave me the gateway. Told me do the damn thing, get you in your heyday. Got pulled like hamstrings, hit first like Ray J. Gave Redbox a body, he a short shot. Pushed off the time machine by Shorelocks. Mystery like Murdoch. Fell into the multiverse, I done did the bulky work. Got him on, now I'm killing me. Had to end the killing G, this is more than virility. I know you gonna do without. Had to cut down on fertility. Do your Googles. Deadpool kills the Marvel Universe. Killer G in under 2 minutes.
Yeah.